So today I'd like to show you this unusual water flosser. So I'm just going to unbox it now, and then I'll show you one by one how it looks like. Inside you'll be able to find manual. Here we've got some like storage bags, since then you'll be able to keep your flosser in here, which is very handy. Here we've got different accessories like nozzles. So we've got a ton of them to choose from, and they are all in here. So I'm just going to show them to you later since there's so many of them. And now let me show you the star of today's recording, and that is our star. So it doesn't look like flosser, right? But then once we like expand it just like that, then all we do is like we put one of the tips in here, and that is ready to use. So to turn it on, here we've got the button and it's turning on, but it seems to be very noisy, so I'm just going to keep it quiet for now. So in here we've got like a different mode, so you turn it on and in here you switch in between modes. So we've got normal mode, soft mode, pulse and custom mode, so you can choose in between 4 of them, but I think normal will be great pretty much for everyone, so that's probably what I will stick with. And this device, even though it seems like pretty small, right, especially when like back to its travel size, it has like 1400 like a pressure, water pressure, so that's pretty powerful for a device like that. Of course this one is going to you'll be able to like swivel it like 360 degrees, so that is great as well. And I really like the design. It's unusual, it's perfect for travel. It looks very elegant, to be honest, like modern, so I really like that. And of course, and also to like remove this tip, all you do is you like hold this button here and then you remove it. So super easy peasy. And yeah, I really love this design, and I'll definitely be using this one pretty often. And in a second I'll test it and show you how it works. Right, so to use it we're gonna need to put water in here, of course. So I'm gonna do that now. You don't have to put it like at the maximum. Make sure it's closed and nothing is leaking. And now when we've got the nozzle, we can pretty much start using it. So to use it, you need to like close your mouth slightly, just very slightly, and like try to get in, just like that. So I'm just gonna try and demonstrate it for you. It's going to be probably a little bit hard to show you, but I'm going to try. So we are turning this on right now, and it's already working. And that's more or less how it works. You should always use that by the sink, of course, since water is going to get out at all times. So yeah, very easy to use, seems to be effective as well, so I would definitely recommend it.